Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to ChatGPT. First, navigate to the official OpenAI website. Once there, look for the Sign Up button, usually positioned prominently in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click this button to initiate the registration process. You'll then have the option to either enter your email address directly or conveniently sign up using your existing Google or Microsoft account credentials. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for the next stage of account creation. After choosing your sign-up method, if you opted for email, you'll need to create a robust password. Ensure it contains at least 8 characters for strong security. Next, an important step is email verification. Check your inbox for a message from OpenAI and click the provided link to confirm your address. Finally, you will be prompted to enter some basic personal details, including your first name, last name, and your birth date, to complete your profile information. These steps ensure your account is secure and personalized. The next crucial step involves verifying your phone number. You will be asked to enter your mobile phone number into a specific field. Shortly after, you will receive a text message containing a unique 6-digit verification code. Carefully input this code into the corresponding box on the website to confirm your identity. Before proceeding, you will also need to review and accept OpenAI's terms of service and privacy policy, ensuring you understand the platform's guidelines. This adds an important layer of security. Congratulations! Your ChatGPT account is now fully set up and ready for use. You can immediately begin interacting with the powerful artificial intelligence. Simply navigate to the chat interface and type your first question, command, or prompt into the designated text box. Feel free to experiment with a wide range of queries, from asking for information to generating creative content. Explore its capabilities and discover how this innovative tool can assist you in countless ways, making your experience both productive and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.